Hello, my name is Sebastian, and this is my code for assignment 5, the Space Station OS. Um, this is my crew member file. This is my abstract class, and I made it abstract so nobody can just make a plain generic worker out of nowhere. It's got a name field and perform shift, which is an abstract too. So whatever extends this has to write its own version of it. Where is it? I have astronaut, which extends crew member. It overrides perform shift using a override. So if I mess up the method name, Java catches it instead of just not overriding anything. And then this one also does execute spacewalk, which is only here and not in the base class, since it's supposed to be a human only thing. I've got right here drone, which also extends crew member. It overrides perform shift the same way, but with its own message. And this one also implements diagnosable, since it's supposed to be only on machines and not people. It's the opposite. I have diagnosable right here. This is the interface, just the one method, the run system diagnostic. And anything that needs to follow the safety protocol implements this. I have the life support system right here, which implements the same interface. It's not a crew member, doesn't extend anything from that family, but it still needs to run the diagnostics. So interface make more sense here than trying to force it into like inheritance somehow. I have my diagnostic scanner here. This is the one method. It takes the diagnosable as the parameter, not drone or life support system specifically. So it can scan either one and doesn't need to know what is actually underneath. Right here, this is the driver. Everything gets added into one array list of crew members. So both the astronauts and the drones get upcast into it, and the shift just loops through and calls a perform shift on everything. And depending on what's actually in the list, it runs the right version, and that's the dynamic binding. Spacewalk downcast back to astronaut, but only after checking the instance off first, so it doesn't blow up if you like try it on a robot. And then I'm gonna go ahead and run it. You got the menu right here, and then we're gonna do add. It's gonna be a human. Name's gonna be Alice. Then we're gonna add another one. It's gonna be a robot. It's gonna be Bob. And we're gonna do shift. And we can see that Alice is conducting the zero gravity botany research, and then Bob is performing the automated cargo bay organization. So we're gonna try to send Alice on a spacewalk. And she's putting on the suit and exiting the airlock. And we're gonna try the same thing with the drone. It's gonna be Bob this time, and it's not gonna let me because he's a robot. He cannot spacewalk. And then we're gonna run the scan, and it shows the diagnostics for Bob with his name, his battery level, and then the diagnostic for the life support. And then we type done to shut it down, and then it shut down. And that's pretty much it. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and run it again for test case 2, and we're gonna do shift, and it's gonna say it's empty because there's no one in it. And we're gonna do spacewalk. Who's going to spacewalk? Nobody. Oh, can't do nobody because that's not anyone on the ship. And we're gonna do fly. Command not recognized because it doesn't exist. And we're gonna do add, enter type, alien, name, Mike, error unknown type, returning to main menu. We're gonna do, I would do done, but I don't want it to close. And then for test case 3, we're gonna do add. We're gonna add a robot. Name's gonna be Tars. All right, and then we're gonna do spacewalk. Tars. Just gonna say Tars cannot spacewalk because it's a robot. And then we're gonna do done, and then it shuts down. That's pretty much it.